So this is walking into my apartment. As you can see, I have a pretty small kitchen. So on this side, we have the stove. I originally had my electric kettle over there, but I already packed that up to move. I'm pretty proud of these little curtains. It was hard to find pretty kitchen curtains, but I found these. On this windowsill over here, I have these little bird whistles and a little miniature. The two whistles were from Peru, and the middle one is from Ecuador. Brandon's parents visited those countries and brought that back for us. This is the other side of the kitchen. I got my Ninja blender, and this is my little key holder. And then over here we have our first engagement gift. It's a little cutting board that says Brandon and Morgan. And then this is the dining room. Obviously it looks a lot better when I'm not in the process of moving. All those boxes wouldn't be there. I have some recycling. But this is our little table with our little painting. Over here, sorry for the suitcases and boxes in the hall as well. We have our tea shelf. So this little area was actually where they used to store irons back when this building was made, I guess in around the 50s. But they're really short little narrow shelves. So I didn't really know what to put there, but I have a lot of tea, so we ended up filling it with the tea. Another really cute thing about this apartment is this little built-in. So over here, I have like our little liquor cabinet area, and then we have our dishes in the little built-in. So that's a really nice feature. Then over here, this fridge is like awkwardly sized, so we just keep a wine holder. Obviously I'm running pretty low because I'm about to move, but over here I have a really cool little tea set that a friend brought me back from China, and then a wine set, and then a mulled wine kit. And then this is just the hallway with a little mirror. Obviously it looks better when my whole life isn't piled in front of it. So this is the living room. Didn't realize that the sun would be so glaring. There we go, that's a little bit better view. I really like how this room came together. Originally we had a TV over here, but I decided that I don't really need the TV. I don't really watch it on my own anyway. So I just replaced it with a mirror. And then check out this door. This is one of my favorite little parts of this place. It opens up. We put a little cardboard there so the light from the hall wouldn't shine in. We just thought that was really adorable. And then this is where we keep our books. We keep our slippers under here. And so I keep books that I've read and love over here, books that I'm going to read here, and then these are some of Brandon's books and some books that we had for classes. Usually I have an orchid over here, but my mom is babysitting all my plants right now. So right now this is the sort of stand-in decoration. And then usually we have the whole windowsill filled with like succulents and orchids. But again, my mom has those since we're moving soon. These pillows were a gift from my best friend, and I think they work really well with my style. This is our little blanket basket and a little lamp stacked with some books. And then this is the Lady Gaga tapestry that took forever to hang. It was such a pain in the butt, but it took like 3 tries, like 4 people, but we finally did it. And I love the way it looks. I feel like it's really fun, it's really me. And after Brandon left, this really helped me kind of make this place my own. And then over here on the coffee table, I just have this book, which is by one of the authors, or one of the curators that I wrote about in my capstone. It also really ties in well. This Right here is actually a chessboard that Brandon's dad brought back from us from Peru. So I really enjoy keeping that out. Over here, this is sort of my office area since I gave up having a desk in here. So basically just files and stuff. Then I have this trunk, and on top of it is a painting that my best friend actually did, and it used to be above our couch before I got the tapestry. And then I have this really cool candle holder that I got at Ross actually, and everyone loved it, and I always get tons of compliments on it. This is just a furnace room, pretty boring. This is our bathroom. So I have a cute little floral picture there. This little scent thing was like a graduation gift from high school. And then I keep this cork right here. That was the cork that we used when we celebrated Brandon getting into medical school. So that was pretty cool. And then this is just a little ring dish to keep my ring, because I don't like to shower with it on. Pretty basic. So shower, got black and white tile. And then this right here was another kind of closet area. It's not as tidy as it usually is since I'm packing, but it's not bad. And then over here, this is actually originally was where a telephone hookup would be. And I really wanted like a vintage telephone to put here. But unfortunately I just didn't find one for like a price I was willing to pay. So that's a bummer, but right now I just have a candle that I got from New York City in there. And then last but not least, this is the bedroom. So this is the bedding set. Over here I have like a little nightstand for Brandon that just right now just has some like essential oils and an extra alarm clock. This is Brandon's dresser, so really nice. This is a Galileo thermometer, so the little discs go up and down depending on the temperature. This is a Navajo wedding vase that we bought at the Grand Canyon from a Navajo woman that made it and told us about how she makes it with the horsehair and stuff. So that was really cool. This statue is from Brandon's dad. And then there's just some of Brandon's colognes. And then this is a bouquet from my best friend's wedding. And then over on this side, I just have my laundry hamper over here. And then over here, I have a jewelry armoire, which it's not really the best lighting, so I don't know how well that's gonna show up. But I keep all my bracelets, necklaces, jewelry in there. And then this is the vanity, which I really love, the tri-paneled mirror. I love this whole bedroom set. I got it at a garage sale for like $300 for everything, and I love it. And then this is just a little painting that I got from a thrift store. And then over here, just have my trash can in the corner. And then on my nightstand, I try to keep things that are really special to me. So this jewelry box my dad gave me for Christmas when he was deployed. So it really means a lot to me. A picture of my parents and Brandon. And then a vase that my grandmother gave me with some fake lavender in there. A little sheep that we brought back from Iceland. He's really cute. This is a matchbox from the castle where we celebrated our engagement. And this is a candle that Brandon bought me for our anniversary one year. And then that's just the bag that I keep like chapstick and hand lotion and stuff in. And then a family friend actually gave us this lamp too. So overall, this is my apartment. I'm so sad to be leaving. It's been such a perfect little place. Made so many happy memories here. But I'm glad to have this to commemorate our special little place. Thanks for joining.